Androecium is known as sepal. Stamen. Gynoecium is known as carpel. This gynoecium again divided into three parts. That is known as stigma. It is a sticky portion at the apical portion of that gynoecium. Sticky portion, that is known as stigma. Cylindrical elongated portion is known as style, and antibasal swollen portion is known as ovary. Many ovules present in ovary. Means gynoecium is divided into three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. These are different parts in flower. That is known as Borel-Singh flower, structure of flower. Then, how the sexual reproduction carried out in a flower? Sexual reproduction in plant means sexual reproduction in flower of plant. The most important process in sexual reproduction, that is known as pollination and fertilization. We know that in sexual reproduction, union of male gamete and female gamete. In case of human being, male reproductive system produces sperm and female reproductive system produces eggs, and fusion of this sperm and eggs to produce a zygote. From that zygotes to develop embryo, and from these embryos to develop a new organism. In case of human being, in case of plant, the androecium divided into filament and anther. Anther contain many pollen grains, and gynoecium contain female gamete. Androecium contain male gamete, and fusion of this male and female gamete form a zygote. From that zygote to embryo, and then new individual. That is a sexual reproduction. How this sexual reproduction occurs in case of plant? The most important process in sexual reproduction, that is known as pollination and fertilization. How this pollination process occurs in case of plant? How the fertilization process occurs in case of plant? Now, pollination transfers the pollen grains. Pollen grains is present in a anther. These are known as pollen grains. Now, these pollen grains are present in anther. Bursting of this anther and liberation of these pollen grains. These pollen grains come in contact with the stigma. Pollen grains come in contact with the stigma. That process is known as pollination process. That process is known as pollination process. Now, this pollination process occurs by various agents, by various abiotic factors and various biotic factors. By various abiotic factors, for example, wine. For example, water. These are known as different abiotic factors. And this pollination process occurs by that wine. Pollination process occurs by that water. These are known as abiotic factors. And pollination process also occurs by various biotic factors. For example, various insects, by various animals. That is the most important process for sexual reproduction. That is known as pollination process. Now, there are two types of that pollination. That is known as self-pollination and cross-pollination. What is meant by self-pollination? What is meant by cross-pollination? Now, in self-pollination, transfers the pollen grains from anther to stigma in a same plant. Or another plant or another flower of same plant is known as self-pollination. same flower or another flower in a same plant, that process is known as self-pollination process. Transfers the pollen grains from anther to stigma, but one flower or another flower in a same plant, that is self-pollination. And in case of cross-pollination, transfers the pollen grains from anther to stigma, from one flower to another flower in another plant, that is known as cross-pollination. Another flower of another plant, that process is known as cross-pollination. These are known as two types of that pollination, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Now this is one of the most important process in a sexual reproduction. Without pollination, there is no sexual reproduction in a plant, and it carried out by various abiotic factors and various biotic factors. Then next process in sexual reproduction, that is known as fertilization. That is a fertilization. How the fertilization process occurs in case of plant? It is a natural process. Sexual reproduction is a natural process in a plant. How the fertilization occurs in case of plant? Now, when pollen grains come in contact with this stigma, if you see the structure of this pollen grains, now this pollen grains is a thick coating, double layer, and on surface of that pollen grains, it is a spine, single nucleus. Then, after fully development of this pollen grains on that stigma, from this pollen grains to form a pollen tube, and this pollen tube reaches through style, passes through style, and come in contact with that ovary. Those ovary present in a gynoecium. When this ovary come in contact with pollen grains, come in contact with that ovary, at the apical portion of that pollen grains, presence of two male gametes. Then, when this pollen tube, bursting of this ovary, pollen tube enters into the ovary, and again bursting of this pollen tube, one of the male gamete fuse with this female gamete, and when male gamete fuse with this female gamete to form a zygote. From that zygotes to develop an embryo, and from this embryo to develop a new individual. That process is known as fertilization process. One of the male gamete fuse with female gamete and to form a zygote. And from that zygotes to embryo and then new individual. That process is known as fertilization process. Those second male gamete present in that pollen tube, this male gamete fused with polar nuclei and to form a endosperm. Means that is known as double fertilization. That process is known as double fertilization. One of the male gamete fused with female gamete to form a zygote, and second male gamete fused with polar nuclei. That's why it is known as double fertilization process. Now that is a process of sexual reproduction in a plant. Then those ovules present in that ovary. Now this ovule is converted into fruits, converted into seed, and those ovary present in that flower. Now this ovary is converted into fruit. Many ovules present in that ovary, is ovules converted into seed. If you sow these seeds, from that seeds to develop a new plant. That is known as sexual reproduction. This sexual reproduction occurs in multicellular living organism. Sexual reproduction occurs in case of plant like this. Here, complete the sexual reproduction in a plant. Student, please draw a well-labeled diagram of structure of flower and how the fertilization process occurs in case of plant. Thank you.